This 5-minute solution will show you how to place an order on the Shein app on iPhone. Placing an order on the Shein app is very quick process. Go ahead and launch your Shein app and now search for the product that you want to purchase and tap on that. Again tap on the product. Now select here your product size and color. Then tap on add to cart. Once the product added to your cart, tap on your cart icon at the top right. Now tap on checkout. And now from here you can change the quantities. Tap on checkout. Now tap on your name at the top and tap on edit to change your shipping address. Once done, now select your payment method. To use your credit or debit card, select credit, debit card. Tap on place order. Now enter here your card number, enter your expiry date, enter here your card CVV, and then all you have to need, just tap on place order. And this is how we can place an order on the Shein app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.